guys, it's Boost here from Serious, but today I'm going to be showing you guys my slime collection, so let's get started. Okay, so the first one is called my Night Blue Starry Night Sky Crunch. So it has some perler beads in it, and they come out a lot. But this one is like super stretchy. And that's why they're going all over the place. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. So the next one is this one. It is called a Froggy Ocean. Jiggly, sort of. Not that jiggly. Okay, this phone ring, so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you guys in a normal angle. If I had my tripod, it would be so much better. And I'm going to be making like a Valentine's Day slime. Oh, and this one's actually gonna be it too. And it's actually going to be a jelly cube slime. I have my jelly cubes cut up. And it's going to have some glitter in it. It's going to be super cute. So basically, we're going to be making it in another video. So yeah. So that's the next one, because I got to do more filming. Alright. Next one is actually sort of small, like really small. Okay, let me just grab it. It's only on like these perler beads. So it has like a lot of perler beads and less slime. So it's like one of those slimes that has like a lot of like foam beads, but this one's not like a foam slime. It's like perler bead slime. Now they're getting all over the place, but we can pick them up. Okay, the next one is actually a butter. So I'm not going to even put this one down. Okay, and that's actually all my slime. Okay, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below if you guys want to see any more videos. And let's try to get this video to 256,000 likes. And let's try to get this video to 200 subscribers. Comment down below if you guys want to see any more more slime collections when I get more slime. And bye! I really love you guys. But there's my dog, there's my cat, they're having a good time. Bye!